Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox not launching on Xbox Series X. Crash Startup Troubleshooting will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step will perform a hard reset of your Xbox console. Content a full power cycle often resolves many software glitches. To do this, press and hold the Xbox button on the front of your console for 4 seconds until it completely shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Xbox and from the wall of it for at least 8 seconds. This drains any residual power from the system's capacitors. After 8 seconds, plug the power cable back into both the console and the wall, then press the Xbox button to power it on. Once the console is fully booted, attempt to launch Roblox again. This process clears the system cache and can fix temporary issues preventing games from launching. Step: clear local save data for Roblox. Content corrupted game data can prevent an application from launching. To clear Roblox local data, navigate to My Games apps from the Xbox home screen. Highlight Roblox, press the menu button, the one with 3 horizontal lines on your controller, and select Manage Game and Add-ons. From there, choose Save Data, select your gamer tag, and then choose Delete Everywhere. Be aware that deleting everywhere will remove cloud saves as well, which for Roblox typically isn't an issue as account data is server-side, but it's important to understand. After deleting the data, restart your Xbox console. A full power cycle is recommended as in step out and try launching Roblox. Step: reinstall Roblox application. Content if clearing data doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the game might be necessary to ensure you have a fresh, uncorrupted copy of the application files. To do this, go to My Games apps from the Xbox home screen. Highlight Roblox, press the menu button on your controller and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. Once removed, navigate to the Microsoft Store or the Ready-to-Install section within My Games app. Search for Roblox and re-download and install the game. After the reinstallation is complete, restart your Xbox console and attempt to launch Roblox. Step: check Xbox system updates and network connectivity. Content outdated console software or an unstable internet connection can cause launch issues. First, ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, then Updates, Downloads. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your console. Next, verify your network connection. Go to Settings, then General, then Network Settings, and select Test Network Connection and test network speed. Statistics: ensure your net type is open and there are no significant packet loss issues. If connection problems are detected, try restarting your router modem or connecting your Xbox via an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Step: contact Roblox or Xbox support. Content: if you have exhausted all troubleshooting steps and Roblox still fails to launch, it's time to escalate the issue to official support channels. First, visit the Roblox support website and search their knowledge base for specific error codes or known issues related to Xbox Series X. If a solution isn't found, submit a support ticket to Roblox outlining all the steps you've already taken. Alternatively, you can contact Xbox support. They can help diagnose console-specific issues or provide further assistance with game compatibility. Provide them with details about when the problem started, any error messages, and the troubleshooting you've performed.